Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your data allowance and how many days remain in the billing cycle so you know the pace to conserve. Once done, enable the phone system data saver and restrict background data for any app that doesn't need real-time updates. Next, turn off Wi-Fi assist and set low-priority apps to use 2G or 3G when possible to avoid high bandwidth 4G/5G use. This immediate trimming saves large chunks of data while you plan finer controls. You now dig into the apps, identify the top data consumers, and restrict or force stop background sync for each. For messaging apps, disable auto download of media. Then reduce streaming quality to 480p or 360p and set podcasts or videos to download only on Wi-Fi because streaming eats data fast. Also swap full apps for their light versions, enable browser data compression, and enable text only or low image modes. These changes cut repeat. You finish by automating protection. Set hard usage alerts and caps, schedule backups and app updates for Wi-Fi only, and disable hotspot except when necessary. Make sure your provider app is installed to monitor live usage. If you encounter unexpected spikes, reboot the device, inspect recent app updates for rogue background activity, and toggle airplane mode briefly to cut all connections while troubleshooting. Finally, make sure to re-evaluate settings next billing cycle to adjust based on actual usage patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.